In today's video, I'll show you how to add an email account to the Outlook mobile app quickly and easily. Start by opening the Outlook app on your phone and ensuring you're connected to the internet, so everything syncs properly. At the top of the screen, tap the Google icon, profile photo, or account icon. This opens the left panel where Outlook stores your accounts and settings. Once the panel appears, look for the plus button near your account name or in the Accounts section, then tap it to begin adding a new mailbox. Select Add Account, which tells Outlook that you want to connect a new email. You'll then be guided through the setup process for common providers. Enter your email address carefully and continue. If asked, type your password or sign in through the provider's login page. Some accounts may require two-factor authentication, so follow any prompts to verify your identity. You may also need to grant Outlook access to your mail, contacts, and calendar to ensure features like syncing, notifications, and search work correctly. Next, continue through the steps shown on screen. You may be asked what you want to sync: mail, contacts, or calendars, and you can keep the default options if you're not sure. For work or school accounts, Outlook might request basic security permissions to allow syncing. Approve these so your account can connect smoothly. Once setup is complete, Outlook will return you to your inbox, where it will start fetching your latest emails. Give it a moment to load everything, and pull down to refresh if needed. That's it. Just tap the Google or profile icon, open the left panel, hit the plus button, choose Add Account, sign in, and follow the prompts. You can repeat the same steps anytime you want to add another email address. Enjoy your fully connected Outlook inbox.